I need you to harass Bob a little bit. Okay, rough him up.
Alright, so the bartender just flipped out and Delink ran away with the tacos. What are you trying to do? Eat them quick before they get here?
Yeah.
The police?
They're coming. Somebody's coming.
Really?
Like something's gonna happen.
Good. Keep recording. Morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, I'm with the Kleb and Tiny Terror.
The bushwhacking system, Papa Cleberson.
So we're going to go see Bob, and then from there, I don't know what we're going to do. What are you hungry for? Where's your boyfriend?
Home?
What are we going to do for food? That always seems to be the reoccurring question on this channel. What are we going to eat? Love that corner.
Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure.
Oh man, propane trucks here. It always trips me out. That's like a bomb, dude. Let's go see Bob. I need you to harass Bob a little bit. Okay, rough him up. Bob's got stuff. Candy Ray Rosetto. I love food. Got lots of places in mind. Call me. Candy.
Candy?
Is Candy hot?
Candy Ray Rosetto. We should call her right now.
Really?
You want to call her?
Yeah, do it.
Did you check his cock?
No. Nothing else.
Nothing. Here, put that somewhere.
Under the hat.
So you put a keychain under the hat.
And there you go. So if you want to come here, you want to snag them, you should leave some for the next chipmunk to show up.
Under the moose? All right. Want to just get a stick of butter and call it a day?
Eat it.
As long as I can put it in my eye sockets. You don't need a bang, dude. You don't like them.
I want to like them, though. That's the thing. I want to like them. Even though Monster won't let us in their building, this is still pretty good.
Protesting.
Try me. Cotton candy bang, black cherry vanilla bang, Monster juice. I tried them all. I like mine. And I'm sticking with that decision. What about you?
You know, I like Monster Green.
This one.
You're holding the camera sideways, dude.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you were.
Oh.
Dude, just turn it.
Oh,
I mean, you
yeah,
can't.
just rotate it.
You can't rotate it because it'd be like weird.
Yeah.
It'd be like that.
Record your message after the tone.
Hi, Candy. My name is Jim Collinsworth. I'm just calling because I found your card in this guy's pocket at the gas station. My number is 628-573-6969. Again, my Jim is...
She didn't answer.
Well, Candy, we're going to invite you to lunch next time.
It's all pennies. A bunch of cheap fucks. Look, you see that lemon in there? It's like...
Seasoning for the horses that drink from the trough.
They drink out of that?
Doesn't work.
So I feel like we need to do something interesting today.
I don't know, but the last time we took this bike off-roading, nearly killed it.
But we didn't.
But it was down for 3 weeks. I wasn't able to ride this thing. You want to go off-roading. It's clear that you want to try to make it back up that hill.
You want to do it? Are you serious? I stepped on you. What are you doing?
I'll never make it now. You gotta be kidding me. He made it. I just don't have the ground clearance, dude.
Well, if you praise me, dude.
This is ridiculous.
Gotta go towards me, the phone. There we go. One.
Oh shit. This is a good time to remind you I do have a second channel on YouTube. It's all dirt bike stuff. Now your bike's at the top. How are you going to get up there?
I'm gonna have to get a ride from Old Delane.
Yes, sir. I'm so bummed that he made it up that hill and I didn't. Oh, man. Well, at least I didn't drop the son of a bitch. Do we know where we're going? All right, we gotta stop. Or we can go to Pepino's. I'll follow you. Go. You want to take a fitness class?
I mean, yeah.
Oh, not open yet?
Nah, 4 o'clock.
4? Okay. You want to go to Hacienda? Or do you want sushi?
Sushi, what the fuck is that?
Alright, let's go Hacienda.
There's a donkey out there.
Dude, you and your donkeys.
A burro.
Do you know what a donkey punch is?
No, what is that?
Today's Tuesday, and this place has $1 tacos. Or you can order the lunch combo and get 1 taco for $10. This could get interesting.
So you have any question about the menus? Are you okay with the water?
If it's cool, we'd like to order some $1 tacos.
The tacos is only going to be in the bar, boss. Sorry.
Could we order some tacos, sir?
Yeah, you want something to drink? Well, here, if you want to order a taco, you guys have to get a drink.
Alright, give me 1 Coke.
We're gonna get kicked out as soon as we go down there. Okay, so what's happening is we came in here and we got a nice seat down by the lake down there. It was super timed, but they wouldn't serve us Taco Tuesday $1 tacos down there. You had to buy them at the bar. So we're here at the bar now, and we're gonna try and sneak them down there into the lake area, and we'll probably end up getting kicked out. We'll see.
Thanks, sir.
All right, the talks have arrived. The mission begins.
Grab the drinks.
Tacos are only here, okay?
What's that?
The indoor patio.
I
Not
ordered
downstairs.
food down there, man.
He said you didn't order anything. You ordered water.
That's not true. I ordered $10 appetizer.
It doesn't matter. Tacos are only here or the indoor patio. I will if you don't.
All right, so the bartender just flipped out, and Delink ran away with the tacos. What are you trying to do? Eat them quick before they get here?
Yeah.
The police?
They're coming. Somebody's coming.
Really?
Yeah.
Where's our appetizer?
Like something's gonna happen.
Good. Keep recording.
Hello guys, how you doing today?
Good. How about you?
Good, thank you. Only this coming to you because for tacos we have the special areas. In this area right here, that was okay. You can enjoy your tacos. Only to explain to you for next time. We have rules in the business, and this area is only for full menu dinner or full menu lunch.
Sure.
For the tacos, we can use all to the right side, by the water, by upstairs, anywhere to the right side. But it's okay. Enjoy your lunch. Just for next time in the future, you know that. Because the other way, I have to sell tacos to everybody.
Thanks, sir.
I'm sorry.
It's all good.
Thank you.
You good to enjoy?
You gotta eat like me again. Remember you did it that one time? There you go. There you go. She's eating like me.
Yeah.
So I'm just doing this then. I'm committed to this camera.
Hot temper.
Well, apparently we're never getting served here again.
Here, put it on. Put it
The
on.
manager didn't seem to think so.
I know.
Watch this. She's gonna die.
Super time. Slurp can. Super Time's gonna eat this entire thing. Here we go. Oh my god.
Dang, cholesterol in the house.
You can spit it out? Are you gonna spit it out?
I dare to eat that.
I bet
Yeah,
you
eat that.
No,
eat
you
that.
could handle it.
What? No,
You don't like fucking
why?
spicy
Just
shit? Yeah.
because I'm Mexican, dude, you
That's not
automatically
true.
gotta.
That's not true?
Well, yeah, we like spicy shit.
Yeah,
but-
so fucking eat it.
Dude, no,
you
eat
just
it. Dude, it's probably not even spicy. Here, I'll feed
Yeah,
it to you.
you're right. You try to swallow it like a pill, dude?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, can we get our check thing in a minute? Thanks, man.
Ah, I swallowed it like a pill.
So that was interesting. Apparently they have a special eating area for Taco Tuesdays. So we ordered an appetizer and then we ran upstairs and ordered 10 tacos. Immediately the place goes into chaos. They don't even know how to handle this. They threatened to call the police, kick us out, and never let us back in there. All because we wanted to eat tacos outside of the designated taco eating area.
It's a serious offense. We're lucky we got off with just a warning.
The hashtag tacos taste better outside for all y'alls. Hacienda here in Mission Viejo. If you like eating your tacos outside, don't go there.
Tacos taste better outside.
Super Time's gonna eat this entire thing. Here we go.
Yikes.
Oh my god.
Dang, cholesterol in the house.
You can spit it out? Are you gonna spit it out? Spit it out. Oh my.
Ew, dude, that's so gross. That's so gross.